Hey peeps! Welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got an unbagging for you from a new company to me. This package has come from Globaland, so thank you to them for sending me these items to review. So let's have a look. I will show you the things that I picked, and then over the next few weeks you'll get to see me try them out. So, oh, nice easy one to start with. So obviously anyone who's been watching my channel for a while will know that I started journaling in a happy planner at the start of this year, and washi tape features quite heavily in that hobby. Additionally, of course, we love putting washi tape around the outside of our diamond paintings, and having every colour available to me will make that process just a little bit more fun. So we've got 40 in here, different colours. They come in a nice little box, and that was $7.37. So let's just get them out very quickly. So they come in 2 rolls. So they are, let me grab a ruler. You are looking at, oops, let's line that up properly. So maybe 7mm, I would say that is. Yeah, about 1/4 inch. Yeah, nice, good low tack tape, as you'd expect. And obviously some colours will show more than others. So very twinkly. So a great starter pack if you're just starting out with using washi and you want to give it a go. And these nice thin ones are brilliant for just covering that sticky strip around the outside of your diamond paintings. So yeah, I'm really pleased with those. Next up we have, oh, okay. So I will do a proper sort of how-to video with these. So these are masking pens. They can also be used with ink. I have wanted one for a while for using with masking fluid, and yeah, this pack comes with different sizes. So they allow you to write with your masking fluid in the same way that you would write with a pen. So that will be really interesting for me to try out and see how that works for me. This set was $7.14. They are metal tipped with a plastic handle. They seem to be good quality. Yeah, and obviously I will feedback in a future video on how to use these and how these ones hold up. Next up, we are whizzing through these items. Ooh, okay. This one, I need some scissors. Let's get through the tape here. I hope that these have survived. They are well packaged, so I would think that they have. Okay, so in here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 glass dip pens. Now I'm going to bring you down so you can have a closer look at just how beautiful these are. Look at those. So we've got a purpley one, a sort of peacock blue one, a silver one, and this green one where it sort of goes green to yellow. These are so beautiful, and they've got these protective sleeves on the ends, which is what will protect the actual brush part. There we go. So these are handmade glass pens, and again I will do a video showing how to use dip pens, but essentially these work the same as any other fountain dip pen, nib pen. Okay, so there we go. We've got the four pens there. They're so beautiful. Yeah, so if you've got yourself some dipping ink and one of these pens, you will be able to do some beautiful writing, or you can use them for artwork. I have a couple of dip pens already that are glass. I particularly love them for like sort of magical writing because they feel very magical. You know, the pen is essentially a magic wand as far as I'm concerned. So yeah, these are beautiful. This set, $7.37. So really, really nice. And a very reasonable price for 4 pens. I think I will probably showcase all of these and choose a favourite fairly quickly. So yes, do let me know down in the comments, of course, if you have ever used a glass dip pen. These are just particularly gorgeous. Final item was a selection of scrapbooking papers. I've been using a lot of scrapbooking paper recently for my journaling and for other crafts, and this was a set which was $5.46. Okay, so let's have a look what we've got. Okay, so this one seems to be a mixture of sort of antique newspapery kind of things. What does that say? Milky Way to follow. Just take the string off for now. I will definitely use that still. So we've got these ones are sort of technical drawings. Got maps. Very nice. These are definitely going to be used probably in my Book of Shadows. Sort of alchemical writings, magical seals. Again, this is sort of looking almost tarot-esque, these ones. And you've got 2 of everything by the looks of it. If anyone fancies trying to translate that, feel free, let me know down below. Looks like machinery for creating cement. We've got science journal pages. Oh, okay, these ones are, yeah, these ones are all single pages, so these ones are a double page, so they're about A4. So these are about moon landings. Then we've got lunar exploration, exploration, sorry. Another one about the moon landing. So, but yeah, these, you could cut these out individually and use these pictures. You don't have to use them as full sheets. Man went to the moon. Landing on the moon. So, very cool, and I can see already I've got ideas for how to use them. So these ones, what's in here? Let's have a look. This is very nice as well, this kind of vellum. I'll definitely find a use for that. So again, we've got single-sided sort of medical shop advertisements, little dolls, little newspaper advertisements. So yeah, these are all So cool. So that one is all sort of newspapery and advertisements. And then this last one we've got this is floral, it's all about the buttercup. Some sort of love letters. Oh, some sort of we've got Hark the Herald Angels Sing, so a nice one for Christmassy sort of time. Another love letter. Got some music. Yeah, more music. Narcissus. The folk names of the chamomile plant. More music. And God Rest Ye Merry Gentlemen, another Christmassy one. So really, really lovely. And I think getting all of that for $5.46, that's going to keep me going for some time to come. I'm very pleased with all of that. All in all, I'm very happy with everything that I got in this little haul. So thank you once again to Globaland for sending them to me. I can't wait to use them all and show you all what I get up to. It's worth mentioning at this point as well that Globaland don't just do scrapbooking. They also have a number of stamping and other hobby craft items, as well as diamond paintings or diamond painting adjacent objects like the cup mats and the key rings, etc. So do go check them out. I will pop their links down below, and you will be seeing a lot more from them over the next few weeks from me. So let me know down in the comments, as always, what was your favourite thing that I got today. Let me know if you've used a glass pen before, if you knew what a masking rule pen was. And yeah, if anyone fancies having a go at translating that text, then by all means, please do let me know. And yeah, I am going to leave this here. Just a very short, sweet unboxing for you today, because I want to get in and play with these items and make videos of me doing that. So if you don't want to miss those, do remember to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon to make sure that you are notified every time I upload a video. I try to upload 2 videos a week, and I go live on Wednesdays at 8 o'clock. If you would like to further support the channel, you can do so by checking out the Patreon. So with all that being said, thank you very much for watching today, and I will see you in the next one. But until then, stay crafty. A huge thanks as always to my generous patrons. You too can become a member of the Crafty Coven on Patreon from as little as £2.50.